I'm gonna try out one of those weird things you find in Japan. Pizza flavored mashed potatoes from Pokka Sapporo. It's only 113 calories. Just a bunch of powder. It's not very much. You're supposed to fill it up to the line with boiled water. Just sort of mix it around. I was thinking maybe I put too much. I probably did. Just like some kind of goop. And I'm gonna have to wait for this to cool down because this is really hot. Alright, it should be cooled down a little bit. Should be okay now. I may burn myself, so let's try it out. Some pizza flavored mashed potatoes. I could feel it in my chest. It was really bad. So hopefully it should be cooled down by now. I put it in the fridge for a little bit and then shot another video real quick. That's how I do things. So let's try it. It's not bad. Tear that off. I mean, it's a low-calorie, cheap snack. It's very fast. I mean, if you like mashed potatoes and you like pizza, and you're looking for something cheap, low-calorie, and instant, there you go. Just boil some water and mix it around. It looks pretty bad, but it tastes better than it looks. Oh, I didn't mix it up enough. You gotta mix it better. I didn't mix it up enough. There's still powder at the bottom. Alright. I thought I mixed it up well enough, but I guess not. Yeah, so I'm gonna go do a live stream after this, get wasted. Join my live streams. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, join my Discord. I do a lot of live streams. Hopefully I'll see you in some of my future live streams. Thanks for checking out this video for whatever reason. I don't know why you clicked on it, but you did, so I appreciate that. Leave a thumbs up. Kanpai. He's Johnny in Japan. He's Johnny in Japan. He's the worst J vlogger in the world. Crappy food reviews, barely any views. He's the worst J vlogger in the Solo. Yeah, nailed it.